how to connect Spaceship domain to Shopify. First, open up Spaceship, then here, click on all products, then you want to select domains from the left. Now on the right, you will click on Domain Manager. Once you have selected Domain Manager, find the domain which you want to use and just left click on it. Once you have left clicked on it, then we can copy the domain itself. We will go into Shopify, click on Settings here, then you want to scroll down until you see Domains, click on Domains, and then you will choose Connect Existing. Here we will paste the domain which we just copied, and we're gonna click on Next. Now we will wait for Shopify to do its part. It's gonna confirm the DNS records. Okay, so it's gonna ask us to remove these records and add new records. So we're gonna go into name servers in DNS, and then we will select Advanced DNS. Once you click on Advanced DNS, here it's gonna display your records, and we will need to add new records. So we're gonna add CNAME www, and this is gonna be the thing that we need to copy. So DNS record CNAME, it's gonna be www, and the value is gonna be this, and you want to click on Add. Once you have added one record, then we will need to add another one. So add, and we will need to add this value. So we will do add record A, it's gonna be at, oops, so here we will need to do add A, and this is gonna be the value, and again you want to click on add. Now here we can just update it, it's gonna be the previous one. And once we have done this, then all you need to do is to click on I updated my DNS records. And if you have successfully copied your DNS records, it's going to show us that it's pointing to Shopify. And it's going to take about 5 minutes to completely set up your Spaceship domain on your Shopify store. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.